What's one? I'm going to make a brand new Battle Cats video and yeah. Off cam, I've been doing a lot in this second world thing, and I'm on to Mexico. And right here, as you can see, they have an event going on because it's the 30th. Oh no, I mean the game just got 30 million downloads, so they have a few events. So yeah, oh yeah, and also you have this platinum ticket thing I want to check out. Sorry for the bell noise thing. So if I click next, no clue what happened. Buy $8. Never mind. wait, what did it just say? To load game. Okay, next. Whatever, never mind. Okay, anywho, we have a few cat capsules here. You could open them. Wait, what is this? Capsule contains ketamine at a high drop rate from the set. Okay, sure. I'll do it. Ketamine. I think they let you level up your cats more than the level you already have. Something like that. So I'm gonna spend all this fantastic. Alright, cool. Let's see. Ketamine. For some reason I have 2 already. Alright, and this is another one. Some of these are really common. Okay, what else? Okay, another B. Well, why can't I get an A? Yeah, as I said it, even though I don't think A is as good. Because it's a nice, and then B is a great, and then C is a fantastic, and then D is a awesome, and then E is a never mind. Okay. 10k XP, that can help a little bit. Alright, no more. Cure. Wait, did it go in my storage or? Oh, I have a lot of random stuff in my storage. Use all. Yes. Alright. Let's go back. Fridge. Let's see. I don't see my ketamine anywhere. Alright, maybe they're for some other things. Now let's start attacking Mexico. Doku. I think it's some French word. I don't know. If there's anyone French watching, what does Mexidoku mean? I really don't know. But anyways, guys, before a few episodes ago, I think it was like 2 or whatever, I got Princess Cake. I'm not sure if I said this in the last episode already, but I usually start out with her to just deal with these. I mean, she does some good damage. Usually one-shots these things, the dogs and the snakes. And she isn't too fast, so it won't bring out the boss too quick. And in this time, I could just build up my wallet. Alright, a paint goo. I don't think she could deal with that one. Aw, crap. What should we do? What shall we do? Or maybe she can deal with it. Or not. Fire the cat cannon? Kill it? Okay, cool. Oh no, Harambe. Harambe, hello Harambe. I don't like you, Harambe. Actually, you're pretty nice. Just kidding, you're not nice. You're attacking my cat's crap-a-doodles. Okay. with this and then that. This. I guess we could just. Oh no, they're doing too much damage. Too much. Too much. Alright, send out you. Come on, Titan Cat. Just one Harambe down. No. Aphrodite. Ah, hello, Elephant. Hey, you look beautiful today with those tusks and then red seal. So and you and then. All right, the elephant got practically one-shotted. Okay, a kangaroo. I mean, there are a lot of strong stuff over here. Yeah. Wait, let me just check real quick. How long have we been recording? 6 minutes. Okay, acceptable. Oh, when we get to like the 15-minute mark, I might just cut some stuff out until we get to the moon, which might be soon. I'm pretty sure it's soon. Okay, we're on the tower now. Now look, we could just send a crap ton of stuff, whatever. Type cannon. Just using all the basic cats. Alright, yay! 21,000. 21's a good number. Cause 21. Alright, wait. How did I go there again? Wait, oh yeah, I gotta go get Yamatoto real quick. I haven't gone here for a while. Full expedition. I mean, it's level 13 already, and I think it gets the next thing at level 14. I hope at least. If not, then it's probably level 15. But whatever. Treasure. From here we need all these. I mean, it's only 3, but still a lot. This one will need mandals, and then yeah, a lot of other stuff. Wait, what was I trying to do? Oh yeah, I was trying to see the cat combos. Can I only see it at the Stories of Legend or whatever? Oh, hi. Pazura blah blah. Battle Cat Stories of Legend. Okay. No. Alright. Okay. Another puzzler Bajaja commercial ad. I guess we could do another level. NASA. That shows that we're at least somewhere near the moon. To be honest, I'm not sure what's on the moon. I mean, the last time we fought the moon, we had that giant head. I mean, I'm not sure what they'll have this time. Okay, red rabbit. Oh, red rhino, crap-a-doodles, and red pig. So this level is really heavily red. A lot of red. A lot of red abilities. Get it? Alright. Bad puns out of the way. I guess we could just stack whales. I mean, that wouldn't be too difficult. But at the same time, that rhino is pretty scary. The pig wouldn't be too big of a problem. Knock those back. Oh gosh, the pig's dead. Cool. But this rhino is gonna be very difficult. And oh gosh, plus the seal. and a flip ton of rabbits. This is not good. I need an anti-red setup. Oh god. I need to bring out my anti-red setup. So that's how you play. Alright. Or not. Now we just need shield and then after that he will do the work. Alright. We got this. I mean, the rhinos are out of the way, so the seal and the other stuff shouldn't be too big of a problem. I hope not. Cat in a box, sure. Then smack him and whack him. Cat cannon. Another pig coming. Whack him. Whack-a-mole-ium. Another cat in a box, cause they're good against dreads. All you guys. Oh, another one of those one horns. Crapadoodles. Wait, 2 of those? Alright, stack the whales. Actually, we might kill the base before those can kill us. Oh, or we'll take them out. Alright, cannon box, whack them. Whale. Alright, victory. That was a little scary at first, gotta admit. But it's fine. Alright. Now, Las Vegas. Wait, real quick, I just want to check. So we're at Las Vegas right now, right? And if we go to the Battle Cats Rising, which we've completed this already. Let's go all the way over here, near the end. Las Vegas is the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th to last one before the moon. So, yeah. Sorry if you couldn't hear me there. Alright. Okay, I'm just gonna cut it out from here. And I'll see you guys when I maybe done with everything in the afternoon. Hello, what is going on? Oh wait, I did the ink already. Wait, with the flip? Oh, okay. Okay guys, I'm back and yeah. As you can see, I defeated Las Vegas, Hollywood, Alaska, Hawaii, and now I'm at the moon. I haven't done it yet. And there's this treasure chest on New York. Well, it says New York, but I guess I could go do it. Yeah, that's gonna be pretty helpful, you know. Wait, actually, I only have 60 energy, which means I can only do the moon once. So you gotta be careful about this. I've got the right setup. All right. You know what? Actually, might as well. For the first time in forever, I'm gonna use this. The rich cat. Oh, and also the cat CPU, because, you know, why not? Alright. Moon number 2. There's 2 moons. I mean, there's probably thousands and millions and billions of moons out there. What is that guy? Oh my gosh, he looks creepy. And I see a lot of those guys. Whoops. It's not Princess K guy to do some area damage. Oh gosh, fast CPU, stop. Jab it. Alright. So we have some. Oh gosh, why is there so many of those guys? I guess I guess they give us like free money because they're like weak, and then when they die, they give us money. But like, you know. Okay, let's into Aphrodite. Princess K guy. Oh my! What the flip is that? He has a wine bottle in his hand, and he sits on this chair thing, and then shoots who knows what. Alright, cat cannon, and he's shooting his who knows what again. Oh gosh, I don't like that who knows what attack. I mean, he is a red enemy, so I guess that's good to know. But after that, he can't even get in range of it. Come on. I guess I hope my Aphrodite is hitting it. She does have long range, but that thing also has really freaking long range. Okay, just send out crap. Cat CPU. I mean, I don't know what to do now. I guess you just send out some cats, a lot of them actually. Alright, I'm not even doing anything. The cat CPU is actually pretty useful. I mean, in this kind of situation, it can be pretty fast, Cat cannon, and you say I click that to just wipe out all the stuff. Oh no, crap! Stop, cat CPU. Okay, we're actually halfway to getting our second Aphrodite. No, you. Okay, we actually have a few whales stacked up. Okay. Okay. So we want to get a second Aphrodite as fast as possible. Okay. We can almost do a second Aphrodite. Okay, Aphrodite number 2 coming out. Right there. Shoot the cat cannon, wipe everything out. Then cat CPU time again. Alright, that big red dude is out. I'm assuming that's a good thing. And plus, look at the speed these things are coming out. I mean, they're mostly just weaklings, so I'm getting a lot of free money. And the cat CPU is just sending out as much catch as possible. Oh, I can't even deploy anymore. Oh, well, then the cat CPU is kind of useless. Ah, great. Alright, yeah, I think we've got this level. Can't even put down anymore. I guess we can send out another whale when we can send out some stuff. Yeah, I think we've got this. We've got this in the bag of lag. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, cat cannon. There we go. Whew, we finally did it. Alright. Let's see. The cutscene again. Okay. Hello? After all the battles, the world has been overrun by battle cats. The battle cats. The government of cats. I think we've got this already. Whatever. Alright, skip it. Screw it. A new chapter for Emperor of Cats is available. Select Emperor of Cats from the title screen. All filters enabled. You can see all capsules in your storage. Visit the upgrade menu and have a look. Your level cap has increased. Oh, okay, that's really helpful. All clear bonus. You've unlocked Valkyrie cats. Okay, I think it's like a really good cat actually. From what I heard and seen. Okay, now we have Revival of Bahamut Cat. Oh, and that's Bahamut Cat apparently. It looks pretty darn cool. It's a dragon that has a cat on its chest. Freaking go figure. Okay, we can claim this. Thanks. Now I have 400 cat food. New in special cats we have Valkyrie, which right here it should be at the very end, I think, maybe. Oh yeah, here Valkyrie cat. The descent from the field of Valhalla to provide salvation for the battle cats. He uses the heavenly spirit malware near area attack. So it just has area attack. It looks like it's supposed to be an Uber, and I'm probably gonna add it in. Let's get it like up level 5. Sure, why not? And now we can level up our cats even more, which I will obviously do. I mean, this is freaking awesome. So I'll upgrade my Titan cat too. I use you quite a lot. We can upgrade them to level 20. Oh gosh, I used all my XP right there. Whatever. I upgraded a flip ton of stuff. Now, special Valkyrie cat. Here. 5 cat feed. And it has 2 more evolution form thingies. And yeah, she looks really OP actually. I guess we could go test it out. Right here. Korea. Ah, I need energy crap. Actually, whoops, zombie castaway. If you go over here to the Battle Cats Rising, you might have enough energy to do the first ever level here. Yeah, we actually do. Actually, let's do Colombia, Philippines. Why not? Wait, actually, yeah, let's do the Philippines. Let's turn off these because that would be a giant flipping waste. Alright, so I'm just gonna sit here and wait. And open my wallet. Wait, crap, I forgot to put Valkyrie cat in. Yes. Equip. And I'm gonna put Valkyrie cat in instead of probably cat in a box. I mean, oh, 2,000. That's a lot. Put you right there. Yeah. And I'm not sure, how good she is. She has area attack, so that's always good. Well, let's do this. Okay. So as I was saying, I'm just gonna wait until these come. And I'm just gonna sit here and upgrade my wallet. And yeah, maybe or maybe I'll just wait till the Valkyrie cat. To be honest, that's probably the better idea. Yeah, actually, since we just upgraded our Macho cat, might as well just use it, right? Ah, crap, that was late. I clicked it late. Yeah, so it's 2 shots these things. Cool. Come on, something strong come. Even I'm not gonna use cat cannon, guys, and just know that that's kind of bullying these things. I mean, if you really think about it, they're just like little cats. I mean, dogs and snakes and those guys. Alright, we actually have enough for Valkyrie cat already, so that's pretty cool. I mean, might as well, right? Get our wallet up to full max. Alright, Valkyrie cat coming in soon. Let's just let that normal cat do its thing. And Valkyrie cat coming in. Oh god, she's big. Yeah, and that spear is actually longer than herself. Okay, so she just comes in and stabs everything. Alright, cool. Oh, she does a good amount of damage actually. So from what I understand, she does like uh 950 damage. Hashtag math calculation. That's the exact number I can think of right now. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today's episode. Hope you guys all enjoyed. We defeated the second chapter moon thing, and then actually, guys, if you guys could tell me, if you guys could tell me to whether defeat the revival of Bahamut Cat first or into the future. I mean, I kind of want you guys to, you know, let me do the easier one. So yeah, if you guys know which one's easier, then I'll do that one. But I'll probably do this if none of you guys comment, because I'm forever alone and no one comments on my videos. So yeah, it's getting a little long, I think, maybe. See you guys in the next episode. Peace out.